What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the RBN Ribbon Finance token on Coinbase. For the first step, you will need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. After that, we need to log into our account and then you will arrive at this homepage. As you can see, we have a search bar right on top and we will select that. After that, we will fill in the token, the RBN token, and as you can see, here is the Ribbon Finance token. We will select it and now you will arrive at the token page. As you can see, we have different time frames over here and a price chart, and you can select the time frame you would like to see. For now, we need to use the buy option, but you have different options like a sell option and also a convert option. You can also select the order type. For now, the one-time order is selected. That is just a single order for the current market price, but you can also select a recurring buy to set up automatically purchases on a daily, weekly or monthly base. For now, we will leave it for this, and now we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this purchase. For an example, 1000 euros, and now you can see the amount of coins we are receiving in return. The next step is to select your payment method over here. Just click on it and now you can select the preferred payment method in this list. If your preferred payment method is not showing up in this list, you can add a new payment method by clicking on this button down below. After that, select your payment method and you will go back to the overview. Now, always check the amount you have filled in over here and the amount of tokens you receive, and after that we can review our order. We will just click on it. And now I will give you guys a very useful tip. If you want to save yourself a lot of money on trading on Coinbase, you can save yourself the transaction fee. A transaction fee is basically a fee which you are paying towards Coinbase for using their platform with trading or purchasing crypto. As you can see on this order, the trading fee is already 38 euros. And if you would like to save yourself this transaction fee, you can use the Coinbase One subscription. You can try it out for free for 7 days. And basically what it does, you don't pay the transaction fee. So you save yourself a lot of money by using this. After those 7 days, you just pay 25 euros a month. And as you can see, this amount of money you are saving is already making you profit by using that subscription. Once you have decided to buy these coins, just click on buy now and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!